Exercise number 34. Are you enjoying your study of this subject? Question mark. I hope you are. Full stop. When you can write these exercises fast, comma, you will be on your way to making your living in a business office. Full stop. Besides its value to you, comma, I hope you like the subject for itself. Full stop. As you know, comma, this subject is widely used in business offices, comma, but it has many uses besides this. Full stop. You can use it for many different purposes. Full stop. Can you name some of them? Question mark. The success of many a famous head of a large business firm is due to his study of this subject. Full stop. It was the first step in this business career. Full stop. Write the signs as fast as you can. Full stop. Always read back what you write. Full stop. Each time you write an exercise, you should write it faster and read it back faster. Full stop. Write the forms just as they appear in this book. Full stop. In time you may, comma, if you wish, comma, write these same forms as fast as you can speak. Full stop.